One clear summer day, the goddess Smalia was walking through a forest thick with green trees. There were beautiful flowers and vibrant colors. Although it was truly beautiful, something was wrong. The animals were all frowning like usual. This was no different than how it had always been, although Smalia thought that such a beautiful place should not be filled with all the sadness. Being in these woods gave Smalia a special feeling. It made her feel almost opposite. She didn't want people to frown all the time. She wanted the world to be cheerful and happy. She knew she had to do something about this. So with that thought, she was determined to change it, all of it, and make it completely opposite of how it was all the time. She wanted to create a creature that would show everyone how to smile. That's what she would call it, smile after hate. It would be the opposite of frowning, what everyone always did, because it was the only thing anyone ever knew how to do. Her creature would show them how. So she started with a pile of grass that was brown from getting too much sun. She formed it into a tiny body. Then she did the same to form furry arms, legs, and head. She attached them together with twigs. Then she got some bright blue berries and stuck them to the head as eyes. She found a small acorn to use as the tail. Next, she found pieces of tree bark that were in the shape of a semicircle and put them on top of the head to be ears. After that, she picked a small pink flower and peeled off all the rosy petals, using one for the nose and one to form the most perfect and most beautiful thing in the world, the smile. She loved it. It was time to bring the creature to life. She gently picked up the tiny body and brought it into the warm sunshine, which seemed to smile upon it. She took it into a meadow of gorgeous flowers and wide open space. She held it up to the wind, which gave it air to breathe in its first breath of life. She made a bunch of them because she loved it so much. They waited for a sign. Finally, it came. They saw a girl walking along a path in the forest. She was frowning like everyone else in the world was doing right now. Soon that would all change. Smiling could barely stand the suspense of this wonderful moment. The little girl stopped when she saw Smiling. The girl first looked at the goddess, then her eyes moved towards the small creatures standing around her. The girl watched the creatures in awe. They were doing something she had never seen before. They moved their mouths upward and showed their teeth. Then the girl's voice replied in the silence. "What are they doing?" she asked. "They are smiling," replied Smilia. And the girl smiled. And that is why people smile.